Ever feel like WhatsApp is taking over your life? Well, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your WhatsApp account, and yes, I mean forever. So if you are ready to say goodbye WhatsApp, hello freedom, let's jump right in. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video and let's start the video. Alright, let's get straight to the point. First of all, open your WhatsApp and directly tap on the three dots that is at the top right corner. Now go to the settings, easy right? From there tap account, this is where all your magic happens. Then scroll down a little and you will see delete my account. Yes, that's the big red button that will erase it all. Now if you are sure you want to delete your account, like 100% sure, enter your phone number, hit delete my account and poof, it's gone. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your life without good morning text at 5 a.m. So if this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.